What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. This is going to be a YOLO update, but it's also going to be a talk. So the title of this video is the YOLO update / don't let the haters fear monger you. So, as of the time of this recording, Trump had a press conference after hours where he's talking about significantly rolling back the tariffs on China, where he's talking about significantly backtracking, and now the market's riding. After all the pain, after all the fear-mongering, after everybody buying gold, even though it was already at highs, after everybody trying to run to safety instead of staying down, all the fear-mongering, all the people who only up 1% or down 1%, bragging on their portfolios like they doing something. And meanwhile, at Printer Gang Investments, like I say, we took $1,500 out. I think it was $1,100 last time I was recording, but I just been buying AI tools. I got Manus, ChatGPT Pro. Them like $200 a month subscriptions, paying for API costs for my agents. So, I had to take a little bit of it out, which I really didn't want to do, but it's all good. It's all good. So, I'm going to start off with the P&L. We're at $1,500 realized, like I said, because we took $1,500 out. And we 361 year-to-date gain because, they was doing all this. And first thing I want to say, looking at this, I'm up 10% on the year. And this is why I keep telling people that retail can outperform the indexes. Retail can outperform the hedge fund managers if you stay down, if you know what you're doing, and if you pay attention. Like right now, I'll go to the QQQ. Let's see. Past 6 months, QQQ's down 9%. Past 3 months, QQQ's down 16%, man. Come on, we up 10%. Let's go to the spot. Past 3 months, they down 12%, man. Past 6 months, down 10%. We up 10%. So, everybody likes to shout out these invisible investors who blow up their accounts. Everybody likes to say, oh, these options are scammy. Oh, this is scammy. No, you just don't know what you're doing. We still be in the market. We've been outperforming the market this entire crash. We were never down more than the S&P at any point. But let's look into some positions and let's get to talking, man. So yeah, as of right now, like I say, most of my positions the same. I've been letting them ride because that Trump news, we didn't know when it was coming. So, we just had to be prepared for whatever comes next. So, we still got our grab calls. Still got our Robinhood call, man. Got our shares. Had an NVIDIA put. Still got an NVIDIA put in case they want to knock NVIDIA down to 80. That's one thing I bought. It's part of a hedge play. I actually bought an NVIDIA put and a Palantir call. So, if the market keep riding, looks like the Palantir call side will make me money. Ironically, it's funny, before these announcements, the NVIDIA put side was up. So I spent $115 on NVIDIA puts. I spent $146 on Palantir calls. Palantir calls expire on July 18th. NVIDIA calls expire on May 16th. So my bet was things going to crash fast or they're going to recover and it's going to take a little longer. So, as far as my other calls, I got a little 140 calls that got whacked. Maybe they'll bring that back today. Got this 185 call, some July calls, got a put that got skunked, which is a good thing, and some more July calls. So we'll see what bounces back out of these today, you know what I'm saying? As the time is recording, Palantir's up 6%. I want to see more updates on what Trump's saying. Things gonna stay like this. We got, let me see. We got 78 shares of Palantir, after we took that, sold them some shares, bought some calls, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to make money that way. Tesla, still down, reported the wrong numbers yesterday and went up. Like, I'm damn near agreeing with the bears. Tesla's damn near a cult. And they saying it right. We're all in it because of the robots. The numbers they were reporting ain't it. If you're not down, if you don't believe in the robots, get out of Tesla stock. I'm letting you right now because the numbers they were reporting don't support it if you don't believe in robots. And self-driving, man. So we got our SPY position, Vistra Energy, and Walmart. Oh, Walmart actually went green. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, man. So yeah, we still up, still trying to flip this money, man. I might take some more gains, get me some more buying power so I can buy some more options. I'm going to see what this market going to do. And I've actually used part of my money to open up a futures trading account, man. So, pretty soon I'm going to decide where I'm going to be at in the mornings every day. And I'm going to start live streaming some of this futures trading yesterday because I made like $400 trading futures, day trading yesterday as well. So, I'll show you guys some of that. And let's look at some of these positions real quick. So as the timer's recording, it's 7 in the morning. We got QQQ up 2.9. Palantir up 6. SPY up 2.4. Nvidia up 5.6. Tesla up 7.35. Let's look at a chart, and then we're going to do a little talk. I'm trying to switch up my format. So let's look at what's happened with Palantir, man. Let's see what's happened out here. If they give me the bars, y'all, they can give me the bars. Where the bars at, man? Oh, I was about to say. Okay, there we go. There we go. So, yeah, man. This play, when they knocked Palantir down below equilibrium, it's bounced up. We've been in this range. Looks like we're going to open up at this 99.46 at the top of this bearish order block. So, from a technical point of view, I mean, we still do got resistance in that order block, but we're so close to the top of it, and it's happening because of macro news with Trump. So I think we might be able to overcome that. I got this level here at 102, but the real level I'll be looking for is this next order block at like 108. So if this breaks for all my traders, we might be able to play it up to 108, provided no bad news comes out, and a lot of stocks are in that position. But I'm going to let that be, for now, the end of the chart, stop, showing positions part of the video. And I want to go on to talk about what this means. All right, so now, I'm not saying we out the woods yet, because it's still Trump. Negotiations aren't final, so we still probably got a few more swings. But if Trump's talking about significantly rolling back things, this might be the end of the crash. And I say this to say, don't let people fearmonger you. Like this whole crash, I just been listening to the haters in my ear, just running their mouths. We got people who got start portfolios that are happy the market's crashing because they think that makes them right. I was listening to one person, people were telling him like, yo, the whole market's down, everybody's down. He's talking about, I'm not down. You're down year to date, my dog. You can pull up all time, we all up all the time. I'm up thousands of % all the time. But what people do is during this time, they'll brag. Like I heard one dude brag, he's up 1% since last year. And he thinks that's a good thing because the market's crashing right now. I would much rather be thousands of % last year and go down a little 20 or 30 this year than never make any money and only be up 1%. Because if I'm only up 1%, I'm not only underperforming the market, I'm drastically underperforming inflation. Like if I'm up 1%, even if my portfolio's got an overall dividend of 3%, I'm barely matching inflation. Like that's not going to get me to where I need to be. And during times of crisis, everybody wants to run the safety. Now, if you're an older investor, if you're in like, mid to late 50s, 60s, even late 40s, if you're getting closer to retirement age, I understand going more conservative. I understand dividend. I understand index funds. I understand things like that. But at the same time, if you're the type of investor who wasn't already invested in those things, what are you doing taking losses and running to those things? Because you're not doing nothing now. Now look what happened. Now, if Trump decides not to do nothing else stupid, anyone who actually listened to that crazy ass advice is finna be screwed. If you sold all your tech and you just went overweight, safety, now safety's finna be doing 3 and 5 and 8 and 10% a year, and all the growth stocks start taking off again, you're not getting your gains back. So, I hope didn't nobody do that. Hope didn't nobody sell major shares. Y'all watch me during this crash. I finally took some gains on Palantir at like the high 90s, but we had been buying the dip the whole time. We used part of those gains to go buy call options. So, we still in the game. But I just want to let people to know, don't let them haters fearmonger you. Don't let them distract you. The numbers are the only result, man. We up 10%, market down 10%. What else I got to say? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. I'm going to see y'all next video.